Archbishop ari kwijaho mu ntebe.
Archbishop w'ikanisa ya Uganda His Grace Stephen Kazimba Mugaru nuwe yayebembera umukorogu kandi Dr. Hakana Rugundo wabirehe nganzi yihanga nuwe yajwekera President Yoweri Museveni. Omukugamba kwe hakanjo na yaraganso kutungura ebyenjiri omubureberezo obu.
In the way of truth and love, holiness and peace, through him who is the good shepherd, Jesus Christ our Lord.
Amen. Mutero mungaro mpango mnoga nakariko kushemerwa.
Ekitongole kiburizi kyenjiri n'abebembezi ba revival team okugira ngo abantu bakuguke omukwetegereza je ebintu bikwata akushaba okusasirwa urugamba n'ebyo mwiso urutaro entaro zo mu maka ebyo kugaba ahabwa umurimo gwa ruhanga kandi no kuramya tuzafutaho enterane nce okutandika hakanisa kugumiza mukika busaba dikoni
Owayebembero kubura Right Reverend George Turyasingura owa East Rwenzori Dayosiisi yashaba Bishop Gado kombeka enkoragana n'abakristayo n'ekigendererwa cyo kutungura obureberezi.
Bishop Nasana yimisibwa kangambira kigambo kitakanya baga.
When I was about to be consecrated, Bishop Nasan said something to me.
Akanyira tikoragerebe mabwa Bishop
that when you look at yourself as a bishop, you will fail.
Kongo koragerebe muko muhereza.
But when you look at yourself as a servant, you will.
Archbishop Stephen Kazimba Mugaru yasima Bishop Bagamuhunda habwo murimo murunje gwakozire kandi yashaba wamuzo mu bigere okugumiza mu nebirunje byatwire nakora.
I want to charge all God's people to please support and encourage Bishop God and Mama Charity Akanjuna so that the work of revival and development in the diocese may continue. Pray with and for him. Provide resources and partner with the diocese in advancing the kingdom of God.
Omubutumwa bwa President Museveni yasimikana abo kwatanisa na government omukurwana soboro hamwe no kwinegeza ntunguka.
I thank the people of Kigezi for your support to NRM and all its programs. Continue to work hard and liberate your families from poverty by participating in government programs of prosperity for all and skilling programs for the youth.
Engineer George Bagamuhundo twira Bishop wa Kigezi yasima abakristaya habo kumukwatiraho omukore mirimo ye y'obureberezi.
And I thank each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I will continue to pray for you. And so I ask that you also continue to remember us in your prayers for this new phase of ministry.
Aha mukoro nugugumwe President Museveni yahereza Bishop Musyemoto Kansia okumuhwero mu ntambura.
Thank you, Right Honorable Dr. Hakana Rugundo.
Bishop Gada Kanjuna akazarwa 2018 mu mwaka gwa 2022 omureke gata yegombora ya Cyanamira mu district ya Kibare. Gasha kwa Job namanya.